Are you trying to build a community of followers online? Well, today I'm going to show you how to make a Facebook group and how actually having a Facebook group can help you build your brand online. Hi, and welcome to Entrepreneur's Toolbox, where I help you find tools to help you build your business online and offline. First off, you're going to need a Facebook account. I'm going to assume that everybody already has one, so I'm not even going to go over that. Once you log into your Facebook account, there will be a blue bar along the top. There's a little arrow at the top right corner. Click that and a drop-down menu will appear. In the drop-down menu, hit Manage Groups. On the left-hand side of the groups page, there is a button that just says Create Groups. Click that. Give your group a keyword-rich name. Keyword-rich name. Keyword-rich name. If you already have people on your Facebook that you want to invite, you could do it here. Select your privacy settings. I prefer private. And decide if you want your group to be visible. I prefer visible because, you want people to find your group. Right? When creating a group name, I like to go with the what for who formula. What for who? What is the group about? And who is it for? What is the group about? And who is it for? You can figure out your what by asking, what does your audience have in common and what would make them say, I belong here? You could always change your group's name until you have 5,000 people in the group, so you could continue to refine it. Once you've created your group, you're going to want to create an attractive cover image. I prefer using a free service called Canva. You can find my video on Canva in the description as well as in the end card at the end of this video. Once you're on your group page, under the cover, hit the More and then hit Edit Group Settings. Here you'll be able to edit your group name, group type, description, and more, pretty much anything that you want. If you want to change the name, you can go ahead and do it here. For group type, I prefer to go with social learning. A social learning group will allow you to give back to your audience more easily. Any resource that you want to share with your group can be placed in the units section in your group. You basically build a mini course within your group. You could build up content and give true value to your group, as well as give them immediate calls to action the second that they join your group. Hey everyone, if you're getting value out of this video so far, make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And don't forget to hit the bell so you get notified every time that I upload a new video. Next, you're gonna want a good keyword-rich description. Keyword-rich description. Your description is your chance to tell your future community exactly what your group's all about. You can tell them exactly what to expect from being a part of your group. Most of the other settings vary depending on your preferences, but one very important one is what questions do you ask when somebody joins your group? This is your chance to get to know your audience. My personal preference is to have one question that's relevant to the niche that I'm in, and then one that is meant to weed out the spammers. I know it might be tempting, but don't just let spammers in just to get your group numbers up. It will hurt you in the end. And finally, ask for an email address. You may offer something in return for the email address, but you don't have to. Facebook groups are great, but you want to be able to communicate with your audience beyond Facebook. If they join your email list, you could share any new content that you put out directly to them. I prefer to make this optional because I like to deliver free value whether they join my email list or not. I'll see you in the next video.